Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Before we start the reading, Gemini, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year, Gemini. So we'll be picking cards as usual for your daily energies first, for your career situation and relationship, guys. So these are for your daily energies, Gemini. This card is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the daily reading, Gemini. It's heart, fox and letter. So with these cards, guys, Gemini, I see that some people in your situation, maybe someone in your work or personal life, they are not what they seem to be. They are not showing their true face, guys. So you need to be really careful with them. This person, they have their own agenda. They have some selfish concerns, something they want to achieve, and they are in connection with you just to make things work for their benefit. So you need to be really careful, Gemini, with this person. And I also see that in life you are working with a much greater commitment. So let it be in your career or in your personal life, you have that deep sense of responsibility and commitment, and you are moving forward in life with that confidence in your heart. And maybe you are getting some important announcements today, guys. Some news is coming. It may be something in your career, some thing about new projects or some opportunity, or it may be a news from this person. So let's see what it is. We'll see what is the card for your career situation, lady. So maybe it is a news from this person, guys. That is the reason we have this card. So they are coming with some important news and they want to tell you something. Maybe that will change the way this relationship goes. Maybe for some of you it may be simply something positive, a good news. This person wants that deep commitment. They want a family, a life with you. So they want this deep connection with you and they want marriage with you. So that may be the news for some of you, guys. I see things going in a positive way here with this card also in this reading, guys. So we see that this good news is something that is going to go in a positive way, guys, for this connection. So let us see what is the card for your career, man. So just like we saw with the previous cards, you have that responsible attitude in work today, in your life today, and you are putting in lot of efforts. And in work you are working, having that strength, determination, endurance to see things through in your work situation, and you will be you are making those efforts, guys, good efforts. And when we make those great efforts, we reap what we sow, guys. We should not forget that, Gemini. So whatever efforts that you are putting in today, it will surely take you towards success. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for your daily reading. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Gemini. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.